Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, we'll learn how to do auto bank reconciliation in Tally Prime. With Tally Prime's auto bank reconciliation, reconciling bank statements with a long list of transactions is no more a stressful activity. All you need to do is just import the statement you have downloaded from the bank and reconciliation will happen automatically. Let's start by enabling auto bank reconciliation. To enable, press A for Alter, select Ledger, select your bank ledger. Mention the bank details. Set Yes to enable auto bank reconciliation. Press Ctrl+A to accept the screen. Press Escape to come back to Gateway of Tally. Next, let's do the reconciliation by importing the bank statement that you have downloaded from the bank portal. Press N for banking. Press B for bank reconciliation. Select your bank. Here, you get to see all unreconciled bank transactions. To import the statement, press Alt+O for Import, select Bank Statement, select the statement that you have downloaded. In case you have saved the bank statement in a different location, press Backspace and select or specify the location in which the bank statement is available. Press Enter to move forward and select the bank statement. That's it. The details from the statement will be imported and ones that are matching will be reconciled automatically. Now, you can see the transactions whose value and instrument number are matching with books are reconciled and the bank date is captured automatically. Next, the new transactions that reflect only in the bank statement will be shown under amounts reflected in company books. This will also include transactions that are accounted in books but not matching with the statement due to instrument number not specified, different value, etc. No matter what the reason, you can easily reconcile either by mapping it to the existing transactions or create a new voucher to account it in your books. To map the transactions from statement with the transactions existing in books, place the cursor on the transaction and click on Reconcile Unlinked. Now, you can see that unreconciled bank transactions having the same value are available for mapping. Select the one that matches and press Enter to reconcile. If you wish to do a bulk mapping for all the unreconciled transactions, press Alt+R for Reconcile All Unlinked. Select the transaction from the books that matches and Enter to reconcile. You can press Alt+B to skip and Alt+S to stop. To account due transactions that are reflecting in the bank statement, place the cursor on the transaction and press Alt+J for Create Voucher. Select the ledger. Amount will be pre-filled as per the statement. Press Enter, mention the bank details and accept the voucher. With Tally Prime, bank reconciliation is quick, accurate and stress-free. It saves your time, manpower and money. You can also manually reconcile by mentioning the bank date as shown in the statement. Press Ctrl+A to accept the reconciliation. To view the reconciled transactions, select the bank. Press Ctrl+B for basis of value. Enable Include Reconciled Transactions by pressing Enter. Press Escape to go back to report. Now, you can see reconciled transactions as well. You can use the options available on the side menu and F12 to perform many more reconciliation activities. Here is a quick recap of the things we learned. Enabling auto bank reconciliation, importing bank statement and reconciling automatically, mapping and creating unreconciled transactions with books, manual reconciliation by mentioning bank date.